Are you ready to ditch your nasty dish soap and use something safer and more natural? Let's make this clean and fresh, natural dish soap so that you can have clean dishes naturally. Because from this recipe, you'll go from, what am I washing my dishes with? To, hooray, I've got something natural and safe. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Turn off distractions, making is healing, get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. From your April Essential Oil recipe box, you're gonna grab this adorable dishcloth, your recipe card, Simply Earth's Clean and Fresh Essential Oil Blend, and Castile soap. Let's get started. This dish soap is crazy easy to make. I've already made my foaming hand wash recipe with this recipe box, so I'm just going to use my Castile soap container and remove the label. I've got 1 tablespoon of Castile soap in here. And to my 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, I'm going to use 8 drops of our Clean and Fresh blend. And then to make sure the essential oil is diluted into the Castile soap, I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna label it. And now I'm ready to go do the dishes. I love this dish soap because it's natural and it works. It smells so good. I love knowing that my dishes smell clean and I feel relaxed while doing it. I love seeing your creations, so when you make this, take a picture and tag from Simply Earth and use hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes just like this. Subscribe today.